Hello everyone, this is Proud. In this video, I'm going to show you we are still on the topic of inferences about the difference between two population means, but in this case, we are using matched samples. In this case, each sample element provides a pair of data value. Let's see the example. Let's say you are a coffee shop owner and you want to test two espresso machines. Your main goal is to find the machine with the shortest completion time per one shot of espresso. You happen to have 10 baristas in your shop and you want all of them to test these two machines, and then you record the completion time. Okay, barista number one use 45 seconds for machine 1 and 48 seconds for machine 2, and so on. Then you record and you have this table. Okay, your main goal is to compare by different experience of barista that you have, which machine is faster, which machine has smaller completion time, right? So your null hypothesis here is the completion time between two machines is equal to 0. The alternative hypothesis is it's not equal to 0. Some machine is using more time than another machine, right? How to test that hypothesis? You're going to go to data analysis, right? And then you're going to go down to t-test, pair two sample for means. Click OK. Variable 1 range is machine 1. Variable 2 range is machine 2 here. Hypothesize mean difference. Our null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis say it is the difference is 0 or not, right? So the hypothesized mean difference is 0. Alpha confidence level is 5%, so we put 0.05. Output range, where you want the output to show, I'm going to put it here. And then click OK. Then Excel will show you the result. I'm going to expand this a little bit. Okay. So machine number 1, the mean is 49.7. Machine number 2, the mean is 52.2 seconds per shot of espresso. The variance are also different here. Observation is 10, right? Degree of freedom, well, every time you have t-stat, you need degree of freedom. One tail test, two tail test, right? We want to test two tail test because we don't know if which one is greater than or smaller than which machine is having the shorter time. So let's say we test two tail. T critical for two tail test is 2.262. The critical value is 2.26, right? Our t-stat that we calculate from the differences in the mean between two machines is negative 0.934, right? So it falls inside. It doesn't go beyond our critical point. If you, let's see if I can draw. Okay. say we have this, right? Two critical, two tail. We have two tail here. 2.26, negative 2.26 on the left side. Our t-stat, well, in the middle you have 0. Our t-stat fall around here. T is negative 0.934. So we cannot reject our null hypothesis. Our null hypothesis is the difference between the mean is 0. Not 0, right? The alternative hypothesis. So from this t value compared to t critical from two-tail test, we cannot reject the null hypothesis. What does it mean? It means machine 1 and machine 2 don't really have different completion time. Either one is fine if you want to pick. So that is the example in case you have matched samples using Excel to test your hypothesis. See you next video. Bye.